Welcome to LaborX, your gateway to freelancing success. In this comprehensive guide, we'll walk you through the essential steps to navigate the platform like a pro. First things first, let's create your LaborX account. Head to the website, click on Sign Up, and follow the prompts to register. Don't forget to verify your email to complete the process. Now that you're signed up, it's time to set up your profile. Add a professional photo, craft a compelling bio, and showcase your skills and experience. This is your chance to make a great first impression. How to create a gig, job, or vacancy. Whether you're a freelancer offering your services or an employer posting a job, creating a gig is a breeze. Simply click on Create a Gig, fill in the details, and let the magic happen. How to start and ending a job contract. Once you've found the perfect match, initiate a job contract and agree on the terms. Communication is key throughout the project, and don't forget to end the contract once everything's completed to your satisfaction. Let's glance through how you can set up LaborX Premium. Upgrade to LaborX Premium for exclusive perks and benefits. From priority listing to advanced analytics, Premium membership takes your freelancing experience to the next level. Premium accounts also offer exclusive benefits to LaborX users. These are designed to add more value to customers and freelancers, and ultimately the overall Chrono.Tech ecosystem. How to connect and pay with your own wallet. For added convenience, connect your wallet to LaborX. Simply navigate to your payment settings, link your wallet address, and enjoy seamless transactions with your preferred cryptocurrency. How to make your profile stand out as a freelancer. Be informed that making your profile stand out from the crowd. Complete skill assessments, gather endorsements, and engage with the community to showcase your expertise and land your dream projects. Conclusion: with these simple steps, you're ready to conquer the world of freelancing on LaborX. Sign up today and unleash your full potential.